Today, the topic of our video is reporting and dashboards in GHL. So, as you know, reporting is very important in businesses. It shows our clients or our owners what is going on with their business because they are only interested is what is ROI situation of our business, how many leads are coming, what is our revenue, and so they don't have to understand what you are doing. Are you running ad campaigns? Are you marketing? How are you doing that? They just want to see what is the end result. So GHL is very helpful in that. So they have a separate option of dashboards where all reporting is done. So you can report each and everything to your clients, and you can see a simple dashboard here. You can see an opportunities. I can select any pipeline that how many opportunities that pipeline create. As you can see how many conversions were there, and you can see funnels, how what is going on with them, cold lead, contacted. Similarly here you can see a pipeline and how the dashboard is reporting the material. You can also show which talks are pending. You can see if they are done, and here you can edit your dashboard. You can see how many things it can provide. So widget, you can see which type of chart you want and which of the features you want to select. You want to select contacts. It can count the number of contacts, which leads are generated from which source, and you can see. So this is how you can. Similarly, appointments, number of appointments booked, and from which source these appointments were booked. Similarly, opportunities. Here you can see the pipelines. Here you will see the how many leads were there, how many you lost, and so this is how you can customize your dashboard in GHL, and this is very helpful in reporting to the clients of your agency. So I will close the video on this, that you have to search yourself on your own if you want to excel in this field, because this field is very vast. The more time you provide on these things, the more you will excel. Okay, I just gave you a overviews on in my previous videos and also in this video. I just introduced you to things. You have to help yourself with how you can excel, how you can practice. So unless you don't practice things, you cannot become proficient in those things. So in the next videos we will discuss some more features of GHL. So kindly like and subscribe our video.